Hi there. I've known Tracy for probably 2 years or so now, and in that time, I'd have to say that she's become the go-to person for anything in the area of online marketing for both me and for my wife. This is mostly because she's extremely experienced. I've noticed over the time that I've known her that anytime I have a question for her, she tackles it completely expertly because she has so much experience. She knows what to do, she's been there, and so she has the answers. And more importantly, she has developed over time a formula for success. So if somebody applies it and just goes through it step by step, they themselves have the opportunity to achieve that. I personally had a brick and mortar business for almost 30 years. And while I had an online presence, I also had a lot of social media accounts here and there, but I really didn't know what I was doing with any of them, with the possible exception of one. But let's take LinkedIn, for example. I had created an account years ago, then I just let it sit there. So it really wasn't working for me or doing anything. In just one session with Tracy, she was able to take that account and turn it into something that actually was working for me, was a real presence, and now it is something which is completely transformed. So I would say to anybody at all who has any question about whether Tracy is the right coach for you, go for it. Get and stay connected with Tracy. You absolutely won't regret the decision.